They spin, and they drag space around with them. Stars rotate. When a star collapses, that rotation has nowhere to go, and the smaller the object gets, the faster it turns. Black holes formed this way spin, and many spin very near the maximum the theory allows. A spinning mass does something to space that has no everyday equivalent. It drags it. This is called frame dragging, and it is not a metaphor. Space itself is carried around, so that near a spinning black hole, nothing can stand still. Not because of a force, but because standing still relative to the distant stars is no longer one of the available options. This has been measured, weekly, near the Earth, which also drags space around itself by a very small amount. Satellites carrying precision gyroscopes have detected it. Around a black hole it is extreme, and it is useful. The energy stored in the spin can be extracted by magnetic fields threading the region, and this is currently the best explanation for the jets. Narrow beams of matter thrown out from the centers of some galaxies, straight, for distances larger than the galaxy itself. The brightest and most violent things in the universe are powered by the rotation of something that emits nothing. The brightest objects in the universe are made of things falling. A black hole gives out nothing. The neighborhood of a black hole can be the most luminous thing there is. Both are true at once, and the second is how we find them. Gas that gets close does not fall straight in. It goes into orbit and forms a flat disk, and the inner parts of that disk travel faster than the outer parts, so the layers rub. That friction heats the gas to millions of degrees, and hot gas shines. The efficiency is what makes this remarkable. Nuclear fusion, which powers every star, converts about 0.7% of mass into energy. Matter falling towards a black hole can release something like 10%, and for a rapidly spinning one, more. It is the most efficient way of turning matter into light that exists in nature. This is what a quasar is. A single black hole at the center of a young galaxy, being fed, outshining every one of the hundreds of billions of stars around it, from a region no larger than our solar system. The darkest object in physics is the reason for the brightest light in the sky. The picture is not of the black hole. In 2019, a photograph was released of the object at the center of the galaxy M87, and in 2022, of the one at the center of our own. Both were made by linking radio telescopes across the whole Earth, so that they worked as a single instrument the size of the planet. It is worth being exact about what is in those images, because it is not the black hole. Nothing can be. What is shown is a bright ring with a dark patch inside it. The bright ring is light from hot gas, some of it from behind the black hole, bent around it and delivered to us, which is why the ring closes into a circle from any viewing angle. The dark patch is the shadow, the region from which no light can reach us at all. The shadow is larger than the horizon, by about half again, because light that passes near the horizon is bent inwards and captured even though it never crossed the boundary. So the image is a silhouette in light that came from behind and around. We have photographed the absence, outlined by everything it is standing in front of,